Ublalotak, Kanuit Pisi. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Today, let's recall what empathy looks like. Empathy, you show empathy by listening to your friend or your classmate. You try to understand their situation. You be kind. You respect their feelings. You encourage them to do the right thing. You are being helpful. You are supporting the person. You can imagine and understand how they feel. You consider others' feeling first rather than your own feeling. So, this is how empathy looks like. Now, let's practice empathy. This activity is called Walk in My Sneakers. So, here is a situation. You need to tell if you were this character, how would you feel? Okay. So, there's this girl named Krista. She was called a really mean name. She started crying. How do you think she is feeling? Discuss it with your partner. And if you were Krista, what would you do? Start by sharing how would you feel if you were Krista, and then think about what would you do if someone called you a mean name. Thank you for having this amazing discussion with your partner. Good job, guys. I have some high school boys who would like to talk about empathy. Are you guys ready for it? Can you tell me what's empathy?
Empathy is when you feel how other people feel.
Lance, can you share one way that you show empathy?
I show empathy by saying kind words.
How about you, Brady? Was there an incident when you showed empathy?
Yeah, I show empathy by hugging my brother when he's sad.
That was something really cool, guys. Thank you for participating. Let's give a shout out to these high school boys for participating in the assembly today. Thank you guys for sharing how you understand empathy and ways you could use empathy and an example of how you did use empathy at home. Good job. I hope you all have a great day today. Happy learning.